Boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar and to a very nice vibey song from Ozuna called Acuarela. Alright, so this one is a 3-chord song and it's very nice to play this this notes, this melody going on here. That's pretty much the bass for this song, but you can also switch it up with a strumming pattern, so that is great. We have these 4 chords that goes in the same order, but there are 3 different chords. So let's take a look at them. No need for any capo for the song, so we're going clean and starting with the D minor. Alright, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. That's the first chord. Then we'll go to the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have the A sharp sus chord here. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret. You bar all strings except for the last E here in the bass, so 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. Alright, so the chord progression here for this one will be D minor, C, A sharp, and back to C. Alright, so 3 different chords, 4 in total when it comes to the chord progression. So D minor, C, A sharp, and C through the entire song. Alright, so let's take a look at the melody. Starting with D minor, and what you do here, you just play the notes from the bass down to the top strings there in the order as they come from the chord. So like this. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Very easy. Then you go to the C, you play this part. I'm used to hold the chord as it is. You don't really need this middle finger here if you don't want to, but it's that easy, so I hold it anyway. The notes you need to play here is 3rd on A, then open G, 1st B, and open E. Then you go to the A sharp chord here, the sus chord, and play this part. So I hold the chord as it is there as well, and then you're gonna play 1st on A, 3rd on D, 3rd on G, and 1st on B. And then we have the final C. Now it's not playing the same way as the last one. It goes like this. So the notes you need to play here is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, then 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So that's the 4 notes. What I do for this one, I place a short little bar here on the 2nd fret from the D string and down. I bar perhaps the D and G here, and then I add the 3rd fret on the A. So I hit that note, then the 2nd D with the bar finger, and then I add the 3rd fret with my ring finger there on the D string, and then I have the 2nd G string ready there from the bar finger. So I don't have to like work too much to get all these notes. So I just place a bar there and works much better like that. Some technique stuff there, it's up to you. You know the 4 notes and you're gonna handle them in your way. So one round of it sounds like this. It goes like that through the entire song, or you can switch it up with a strumming pattern. So let's go back to the first chord, the D minor, to learn the strumming. So one round will sound like this. So that is down, up, clap, down. That's it. So you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So D minor 2, C2, A2, and C2, like this. But it goes a bit faster, so with standard tempo, something like this. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for Ozuna's Acuarela. Acuarela, great song there. So give it a try guys, and I hope this was helpful. If it was, please let me know. Subscribe to this channel, of course. What are you waiting for? We have great songs coming up here, and feel free to wish for songs for future wishes there. We'll bring them up on Wednesdays normally, 1 or 2 or something like that, depends. And yeah, see you soon guys, play tuned.